not distributing the power or having some sort of malfunction. So I'm gonna keep going until I find the issue. Welcome back to another episode of Rebuildz. So today we got a 240 again. I have a light malfunction or headlight malfunction. So the headlight still goes on bright, still could use my turn signals and all. It's the daytime running lights that I'm having an issue with. So it's my first time taking care of this, so I don't know what to do, but I'm just taking you guys along with me so I can show you what's going on. Now, we're just gonna hop straight into this video, so like, share, subscribe. Hey, drop your thoughts and comments down below. And let's just hop straight into this video. Click on the link down below so you can get yourself some merch from Rebuildz.com. And if you want to send something, you can always send something also. So let's not waste no more time. Let's hop straight into this 240 and figure out this light. So I already opened the hood and all of that. So you're gonna see I'm gonna turn the ignition on, and then you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So adaptive headlight malfunction, right? So you see that. So we're gonna hop over here and check out what's going on. So you can see adaptive headlight malfunction, headlamp vertical aim controller malfunction. So we already know this, but as you can see, you look at the lights and see that these lights are not working, but on this side these ones are. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these two and then see if that's the problem. But we have extras when the time the car got wrecked. So these were the original one that came off the car. So we're gonna try these out. But also, as you can see, this one looks good. This one, there's a little bit of damage right here. So we're gonna figure out some more about it and stuff. And I have also the original adaptive sensor for it too. So we're gonna see everything and then keep going. So let's keep going. I check all the fuses already. So you know, you have one fuse box right under here. I check all those fuses, and then you have the other fuse box in the trunk. So all the fuses are good, so that's not the issue. So we're just gonna, the next thing that I plan to do, since I have the extras, is just to remove these two and see if that's the actual problem. So let's hop into it. So I haven't disconnected the battery, so I'm just gonna try it out and see without disconnecting the battery. Yeah, so this one, since this one is a damaged one, we don't have this piece unless I'm gonna use a solder gun and remove all of this and then just place it on here so I have the connector right there. But I think that should be it, so I could try it to see. But I'm not gonna touch this one. Now I'm just gonna start taking off this one and see if it's the same issue. As you can see, I just pulled this one off. So this one is the one that came off the car previously, because you can see the broken tabs right here. So I'm gonna just try to plug it in. I'm not gonna do this one yet, because since this one has a whole bunch of damage right here. So this one, let me get the focus real quick. So since this one has a whole bunch of damage, so once this is done, before I hop to try this one, I'm gonna try this one first. So let's see what happens now. So still the same thing. Okay, so if that doesn't work, now I'm gonna see what else could be the problem. Or another thing that I'll probably try is to switch it on from the other side, and switch the other side and put it over here and see if I get the same result. If it turns on, then I know, okay, this is the exact, so as you can see, I took those ones and put it on this side, and you can see that they're not turning on, but over here they do turn on. So that tells me there's either like a short somewhere on this headlight or a loose connector or something, but I'm having a short somewhere over here because it's not working, or the only thing I could think of is this not distributing the power or having some sort of malfunction. So I'm gonna keep going until I find it. So I did find out what's the problem. So you notice we switched both sides. I haven't installed this yet, so but I just looked up on Google adaptive headlight module for the 240i. So it's basically a little disc that goes in the bottom of the headlight. So I dig through some of the old stuff that I had, like, because you know we've rebuilt this car 2 years ago, so it's not in there. So I'm hoping that I have it stashed away somewhere where I have some of the Audi parts. But BMW selling so this is not it, but the adaptive module, BMW selling that for like $430. So I'm gonna try to see if I could find the other one off the other car, or just order one off eBay. So when we get that parts, we'll just throw it out. Let's go.